Welcome to Talking Sculpture. I'm Abby Taylor, and today I have the honor of discussing the how and why of welded bronzes. You might see a work such as this one in a museum and think that's interesting, and then think nothing further about it. Around 1927, the famous sculptor Julio Gonzalez discovers that instead of casting, he can use an oxyacetylene torch to soften and shape bronze and other metals. He goes on to assist Picasso and Brancusi with this new technique. Fast forward to the 1950s and 60s in America, and the post-war movement's in full swing, and sculpture needs to evolve. Albert Wein is one of America's great sculptors, and you probably don't know his name. In 1947, he wins the Prix de Rome and starts his career in the WPA, and then embraces classical Deco style. In the 1950s, Albert wants to move with the times, and he too embraces the oxyacetylene torch. To understand this better, let's take a look at metamorphosis, which is a cast bronze. Albert's using a language very similar to Lynn Chadwick and Henry Moore. Casting bronze is a very arduous and expensive process, and as it turns out with metamorphosis, he's only able to cast one of these. With welding, there is no opportunity to do more than one, so each piece is unique. The technique lends itself to a grittier, rough, and more linear rather than volumetric form. It's like drawing in space. For me, the light looks like it's eating away form, giving us fleeting glimpses of what is, and yet these forms burn an indelible moment in time into our memory. The genius of Albert Wein is that no matter what style or technique he's working in, Albert had an amazing ability to convey the subject that he chose. A really great example of this is at the foot of the master. If you look at how he's positioned the legs and the arms and the body in general, it really conveys the sense of somebody who is supplicant to another. Like Jackson Pollock and Franz Kline using paint on the canvas, Albert Wein uses a torch and bronze to bring singular expression to man's realms and fantasies. His seraphs, angels, lovers, prophets, water bearers.